For displaying the items, I'm going to create another component called to do item. And here I need to import the React, because whatever JSX file we need to import the React, the default React package. And here I'll just create a function named as a to do item, and this is also going to get some props. Here I'll just return a single div, the list element. So let it be, because we need to send the props here, right? So before that I'll just export it as a default one, to do item. Okay, and the app.js file I need to import it. Import to do item from components and the to do item. So now, instead of mapping the items to the log, I'll just send it to the to do item. And here the important thing is, whenever you map something to a tag, it has to be, it needs a field called key. So it is actually not a prop. It is a unique key field which always recurs. So this is a basic React syntax. Whenever you map something using the array to a tag, it recurs this unique field called key. Here you need to send some unique value. So what we can send here? For that, it's pretty simple. In the map, we can get access to another argument called index. So it can be any name, it doesn't matter. But here, this second argument will return you the index of that particular array item. So we can use that as an unique key. And then here I'll also add an ID and send the index and the text field. So text as a prop, as a item. That's it. Now let me I finish this, and yeah, let me close this tag, and it's almost fine. So I need to add another closing. Now if I just go to the to do item, I can get access to the props here and display props dot the text. So let me save it, and here I'll enclose this items inside a div and inside a UL tag. So an unordered list tag, and inside this I will put all these things. Okay, so now let me move here and see how it's working. Get your work done. Yeah, you can see it's working, right? You can see whenever I add an item, it's get adding here. So we almost finished the 90% of work in this to-do list item. The last thing is, suppose if you finished on work, you need to delete that from your list, right? So for that, we need to add another functionality, that is the deleting an item. So whenever you click some item, it has to get removed from this to-do list. For that, we need to add another function in our app. Let me do that in the next lesson.